Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice credenza. It's actually put out by Thomasville. We're going to be sanding it down, taking all the hardware off, giving it a nice paint job, and bringing this back to life. So follow along as we start the process. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end. So today what we're going to do is we're going to use our Dixie Belle Midnight Sky Black chalk paint, and we're going to paint this piece, so follow along as we get started. Alright, I didn't like the color of it inside here, so what we're going to do is, you can see we've already done one coat. We're doing Sea Glass from Dixie Belle. Just going to work our way across and put a little sea glass color in here, give it a little pop. Up next, we have our clear coat flat from Dixie Belle that we're going to do the entire piece over. I hung the doors. That makes it easy for us to coat both sides and let it dry nicely. So let's begin by... Here it is, completed. Midnight Sky Black. We did a sea glass inside. I think somebody's going to really like this piece. So, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and you're going to see more of these projects coming out.